Depreciation is the loss of value of fixed assets that to use or obsolescence that loses their stated position in the company. Through this process, the cost of a fixed asset has to expense through the period of the asset is used. What depreciation method does your company client use on its assets? After observing the different departments of the notified SA company, it was determined that for the depreciation calculation for this provided that depreciation must be calculated according to the nature and duration of its useful life of each asset. For this, the following percentage should be considered as the maximum limit. The company notified SA applies the standard method. Why has your company client chosen this method? The company object of this study applies the straight line method for depreciation, but this process is carried out routinely, which in many cases is not considered certain concepts such as depreciable value, non-salvage volume, and regarding the calculation of useful life. This done through the tax scheme, which has caused depreciation to be inadvertently carried out. What are the alternatives in your country to depreciate methods? The sum depreciation method. This method is based on the decreasing arithmetic progression, which consists of calculating it as the depreciation period elapsed. Therefore, it decreases constantly. The sum of the T's of the estimated number of years of useful life of an asset serves as a constant divisor for the product of the costs and the calculated years of useful life in its depreciation period, a straight line depreciation method. This method is achieved by dividing the 12 costs of the fixed asset, in this case $3,000, by the number of years of useful life it has. In this example, the useful life is 5 years. Accelerated depreciation method. This method occurs when the use of the asset is distributed using a percentage lower than the real period of the asset's useful life, which allows its value to be absorbed in less time and the assets to be replaced at a faster rate. For example, it must be taken into account that the vehicle will have a new useful life of 3 years